Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you an unboxing of the power supply that we bought, which is the NZXT C850. So, I bought this power supply as a part of my upgrade plan sa system unit ko, since I just bought the generic power supply before, but actually still working pa rin naman, but I'm planning kasi to upgrade my GPU for a high-end GPU. And of course, isa sa mga unang naisip ko talaga is to have a power supply na reliable then for that GPU. So it is 850 watts na power supply. It belongs to Tier A, which is recommended siya for high-end computer system. And by the way, NZXT C series is manufactured siya ng Seasonic. So as we know, Seasonic is very reliable na pagdating sa quality ng power supply at maaasahan na siya. Nung nalaman ko na NZXT C series is manufactured din siya ni Seasonic, so I never doubt to buy this. And according nga sa mga other search ko and reviews na tinignan ko, maganda naman ang NZXT. But for now, we will focus on unboxing. So let's do it. So we will start now with our unboxing, and since I only have one camera, so hindi ko na siya ma-focus talaga the unboxing, but I'm gonna show you I'm gonna try my best to show you kung anong meron sa loob while opening this box. So ayan. Wow, bad na siya. And yes, so this is open, and there you go. And ganyan muna. That's it, and yeah, ito yung manual niya. It takes power supply, blah blah blah, and as you can see, and tatanggalin na natin to. So may foam siya para hindi talaga siya magalaw. And this is the power supply. And may bag siyang kasama, which are the cords. So I like what it says here. Build the extraordinary. And uunahin natin yung mismong power supply. So this is it. This is the power supply. And ito yung side niya, and this is the other side. So it is fully modular power supply. The switch side, yung lagayan niya. And now we will check this bag. Ang cute naman ng bag na to. So ito yung power cord niya. Wala. Well, if wala akong, so ganito yung ano niya guys, but I think I'm gonna be using the old na lang since wala akong converter nito, but I hope mayroon ditong kasamang converter. So ito yung mga cables kasama niya. Kailangan siyang guntingin. We need to cut this. So unahin muna natin ang yung mga 6 pin and 8 pin. So nabuhos na natin ito. Isang 24 pin. Kasi for the ano pala to. And PCIe 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4 5 this one din. So ayun, naka-indicate din pala sa manual niya kung ilan yung mga cables na nandito. So I don't need to mention kung ano meron na dito. And that's it. So yan po yung mga laman ng power supply na to. At wala siyang converter, so you need to buy a converter if wala ka pa. So I think gagawin ko ngayon, I will be using the old converter or old power cable sa CPU ko or system unit ko para magamit ko na siya kagad. So these are the cables. Ayan, ito yung power supply natin. Ayan, hiwalay-hiwalay na lang natin. But I think I'm gonna be using 3 cables lang nito or 4. So ayan. So that's all for today, and I hope that you get some ideas or you learn something in this video, which the purpose of this video is to show you what is inside of this box and konting highlight about the product, which is the NZXT C850. And if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.